GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Govi, a vernacular edutech brand, skilling everyone everywhere.
How much time do you take to respond to messages on WhatsApp?
Minimum 48 hours.
Late I respond, yes or no.
Yeah, you do.
You will
respond.
forget the context. ये किस context में लिखा जवाब?
Have you ghosted people?
But guess
Nice
what?
people.
I am a ghost.
Oh.
Angelika ji. Never have I ever had a weird date.
Oh. I have.
We both went at a coffee place, and we realized that none of us like coffee.
You have? How was it? I want to know.
No, it was just, I realized that she's not a bad person.
That's usually what happens, huh?
Yeah.
Have you ever?
Or more so to keep an eye on her. Not with words, but with eyes.
Yeah.
ये तो बहुत होता है. ये बहुत frequently होता है.
I was
और आपको
also,
पता है कि अरे सब गए फिर बहुत बजने वाली है. अरे नहीं जवाब
Bhamini,
एक मिनट.
he does care.
मैसेज इनिशिएट करने की बात है यार. पूरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट बदल दिया इन्होंने.
I've taken situations from your trailer
Okay.
and I'm understanding the idea behind your film. So you have to tell me if you have done it or you've not done it, okay? Never have I ever fallen in love at the first sight.
अब मैं तो अभी पूरा स्टोरी बोल दिया.
You two have definitely must.
never.
Never. So you take time.
I've been attracted, but never fallen in love with.
But have you approached somebody or somebody's approached you like upfront first time only?
Yeah.
How do you react? I want to know that.
I didn't take him seriously at all.
Okay, never have I ever been ghosted by somebody.
I have.
You've been ghosted.
Yeah. No, by relationship you mean? No.
But how do you mean? Acha, by a producer or director? You mean?
No, not producer director. It's just generally. No, I've not been ghosted then.
Have you ever ghosted anybody?
No.
How much time do you take to respond to messages on WhatsApp?
Minimum 48 hours.
That is the minimum.
That's the fastest.
But I don't ghost people. I still, even if I respond late, I respond. Yes or no.
Yeah, you do.
You will forget the context. ये किस context में लिखा जवाब?
You know
Then
what
you have to
happened?
scroll up. अच्छा मैंने ये लिखा था.
It is so weird. I have not told her this. So once I had messaged her something nice. I must have watched some of her movie, which is an old film,
yes,
and I must have. I really feel that she's very authentic to her craft, and you have that sense of emotion. And then I must have related it to something that I was going through, and I messaged her. Now my mobile has crashed. WhatsApp has crashed. And she has replied after 5 business days. Now, by the time I'm thinking, she's written, thank you for this and everything, you're so kind. I'm thinking, what did I message her? I forgot it. And I'm like, oh shit. But you have this habit.
Yeah.
How many times?
But I
40
don't ghost.
Ghost?
She doesn't ghost.
But have you been ghosted by anybody?
No.
Have you ghosted people?
But guess
Nice
what?
people.
I am a ghost.
Oh, Angelika ji. Never have I ever had a weird date.
Oh. I have.
Did what?
Just it was weird. When I walked in, I was like, I just knew it was weird. We were no.
How did you get out of it?
I had my meal. I was polite.
That's sweet. What about you?
Not weird. I had a lot of funny dates with Bhamini.
no.
With Bhamini only, but a lot of funny dates.
One funniest.
The first meeting,
Where
we
you
both
did.
went at a coffee place, and we realized that none of us like coffee. I didn't know which coffee to order. तब नया नया था ये कॉफी कल्चर.
yeah.
चाय की टपरी पे तो मिलने नहीं बुला सकते ना किसी को.
But
तो
वो
इसलिए
best-
मैंने कॉफी पूछा. उसने हाँ भी बोला, हम कॉफी पे गए भी. I actually had to, वो छोटे नोकिया फोन था तब मेरे.
हाँ.
I actually had to message my brother and ask क्या ऑर्डर करना.
Oh,
He said तू कैपेचिनो मंगाना और 4 सैशे मंगाना शुगर के, नहीं तो तू नहीं पी पाएगा, तुझे कड़ा होगा.
how sweet. Never have I ever cheated on my partner.
Never.
That I knew. Never have I ever got cheated on.
I have.
How did you deal with it? How did you find out and how did you deal with it?
I broke up with that person.
But how did you find out?
I found out because of some random, some house staff giving me some information that was contradictory to what that individual was telling me.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Yeah.
Good. Those people who cheat should be jailed. Never have I ever been in a situationship.
Never.
Never have I ever wanted to get out of a relationship but couldn't at that point.
Never.
Matlab, it was difficult for you to get out. No, you actually.
Yeah, I got out.
Never have I ever been friends with an ex.
He doesn't have an ex, thankfully.
That's true.
नहीं है तो मैं क्या जवाब दूं इसमें यार.
नहीं, never.
Never have I ever been friends with my partner's ex.
I have.
You have? How was it? I want to know.
No, it was just. I realized that she's not a bad person.
That's usually what happens, huh?
Yeah.
Have you ever?
नहीं, और more so to keep an eye on her.
No, I have also been, and I felt that the person was not Cruella to the
Yeah,
extent that was being presented. Like, that's for sure. And we still are friends, so cordial, that's what I'll say. Never have I ever fought with my partner publicly.
Publicly means it can be in front of two people also, no?
Yeah.
वो तो हो ही गया होता है.
Yeah.
वो तो हो ही जाता है. Not with words but with eyes.
Yeah.
ये तो बहुत होता है. ये बहुत frequently होता है. क्यों?
I was
और आपको
also-
पता है कि अरे सब गए फिर बहुत बजने आ रही है.
Sofa pe.
मतलब
Yeah.
But I want to ask you both that, you know, in this you fight over Begun Poshto. What is the worst thing or the most trivial thing that you fought with your partner on?
What is the most trivial
हाँ,
thing?
मतलब बाद में लगा कि यार इसमें झगड़ा ही क्यों हुआ?
रूम में फैन बंद नहीं किया तो मैं चिढ़ गई थी रूम से निकलते वक्त.
And when did you realize that इसमें झगड़ा नहीं भी करते तो चलता?
हाँ, I realized झगड़ा होने के बाद I was like, I went and put it off ना. It's okay.
No, that's true.
मैसेज क्यों नहीं किया?
You are a very nice person.
उस पे मतलब चला था हमारा.
अच्छा, you were the one who messaged this, that message क्यों नहीं किया और आपने मैसेज नहीं किया?
हाँ मतलब मैंने मैसेज नहीं किया.
I take back what I said just now. I thought you said why did you message?
अरे I don't bother about messages यार.
No, it's very. I always say.
And then you keep saying you
Ah.
take 48 hours.
Sorry,
Of course
sorry.
you
पर
bother about
मतलब ठीक है
messages.
मैं अरे नहीं
भामिनी,
जवाब एक मिनट
he just can-
मैसेज इनिशिएट करने की बात है यार. पूरा कॉन्टेक्स्ट बदल दिया इन्होंने यार.
But you know, jate jate, I'll just say that you guys are in amazing relationships, and it also helps you protect your core, because we are all born and we develop a core which is very integral to our personalities and our emotional personalities, to be very honest. But thank you so much. Now, I just hope that the film gets the love it deserves, and I hope that there are many more films in this space that are being made, because there's a dearth of films in that space, and I think both
agree.
of you ace it. Ace
Thank
it.
you.
Thank you for this wonderful chat.
Thank
Very
you.
much. A lovely session.
Yeah.
Good fun.
And so much
Thank you.
energy
So
yeah,
much
he
energy.
brings.
Yeah.
GT Holidays, South India's #1 travel brand.
Govi, a vernacular edutech brand, skilling everyone everywhere.